Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and today we'll be learning advanced CapCut video editing. So let's dive in. So when you open CapCut, so this is what you're going to see first when you open CapCut. So this particular place now, this is create project in case you want to create any project, any video at all, you want to make any video editing. This is where you're going to click. If you want to record screen, definitely I'm not using this, I'm using this one, to this Bandy cam, that is one I'm using to do the screen record. So this is AI video maker, so I'm not diving into this one today. That will be the next topic we'll be diving in. So this is its own. Definitely now I'm not connected to the internet, so when I'm connected to the internet, I'm going to show you some few things that you need to know. So this is create a project here. So this is this particular plus icon. Import is if you want to import any video to your, if you want to import any video, you can click here to take you directly to your file explorer. You can dive into. So now let's assume I want to work on any video here. I can click on it and open it, and click this open here, and I can open it. So, or I can drag it. I can drag anything that I want to do. I can drag it. I can drag anything from here to it. So that is what this particular place is. So this is another place. This is library. I'm not connected to the internet today, so let me skip all these ones now. So this is audio. If you want to add any audio effects, you want to add any audio soundtrack or anything at all, you can click here. I wish there's network, there's internet. I will just show you some example on how to do it. So this is text. In case you want to add any text, you can either click plus icon here, drag it. Then if you want to edit any text, you can click, or you can just click this particular place there and then write. For example, I want to write famous. So this is famous. So you can see. So let me. So this one is sticker. Definitely there's no network too as well. So if you want to add any emoji, you want to add any icon or anything at all, everything, you can search anything here. You will definitely find it. And if you want to use any icon, you can drag it to this place. So this particular place here is effects. If you want to add any effects to your video, there are tons of effects that you can use. You can experiment. You can use to add some effects to your videos and everything. So this is transition. If you want to add some movement before the next clip, you want to add some effects. You want to add you want to transit yourself to the next video with some effects. You can use this particular place. There is no network. I will have dive into it. So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more.